Ayan, so first of all, Enzo, na-interview ka namin nung before, after mo mapanood. And sobrang naganda ka nga sa film mo. So how does it feel na ikaw yung nanalong best actor? Out of all mga kalaban
Hindi ko
mo?
po talagang akalain na totoo to. I think it's just a dream but it's actually real. Di po ako makapunta dito without the help of my family, of the crews that helped me fulfill my roles, and salamat kayo na Mama Maitin. They believed in me. Kila Tatay mo, Teacher Ina, Tita Ruby, sa lahat po na sumuporta sa akin, sila Ma'am Prisma, sila Direk Hala Fajardo. Salamat po talaga. Dahil po sa kanila, nandito po ako at nanalo po ng award na Best Actor.
Yes, you're very emotional right now, no? Kasi
Yes po, like, kasi hindi po talaga ako makapaniwala na this is real.
is this your first acting award or best actor?
This is the first reward that I ever gotten. The big reward po talaga and big movie. Wala na akong ibang masasabi pa. O hindi, salamat.
And so right now na nanalo ka best actor sa Cinemalaya 28th year. Is there a pressure ba sa mga next project mo? Siyempre maraming mag-a-abot sa'yo.
Wala pa akong pressure but I wish na mas galingan ko kasi ayokong mapahiya sila direct lo. Kasi I did good at this movie and then at the other movies I didn't do good. So parang people will be disappointed. So I don't want that to happen and I want to further improve. Makikinig pa po ako sa lahat ng lessons na matuturo po sa akin ng ibang artista.
This will open doors for you, no? Do you have any dream roles pa, lalo na bata ka pa and parang ano yung parang top of mind?
I wish na talagang makakuha po ko ng big role na papasok ko sa Netflix. Kasi I really dreamt about international lead role. So sana po one day makuha ko po.
Are you open to do sa networks, ABS-CBN or GMA to
Yes,
do series?
I'm a freelance talent po. So, I have movies in GMA, I have movies in ABS-CBN po.
If ever sino yung mga idol mo sa pag-aarte?
Si Kuya Arjo po, si Ate Chai Fanshir, si Mama Maylin, si Tatay Nor, of course, si Teacher Ina, at sila Tita Ruby po.
Ano yung advice na binigay nila sa'yo? Lalo na you're young pa lang.
So, dami na po silang binigay na advice sa akin. Lalo na po si Mama Maylin. She calmed me in the middle of the shoot kasi po like, I was so pressured and di ko akakalain. I thought that I will disappoint people but she went to me and then she calmed me down and then she made me focus onto my role and then I cried and then I fulfilled the role and the scene.
Anong sinabi sa'yo na nanalo ka ni Ate Maylin?
Sinabi niya po that I could do it, see that I did it, and I deserved it. And same with Teacher Ina and Tita Ruby, yun ang sinabi din nila, and the others. Thankful na po talaga ako sa kanila po.
We are all proud of you. Again, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Nabanggit mo lahat ng baka kanina gusto mo makatrabaho. Nakatrabaho mo na ngayon sa Dahili. So any actors pa na gusto mo makatrabaho? Like,
Top of mind.
There's one of an actor that I really want to be with. It's Kim Chiu po kasi before when I was a child, I gave her a chocolate and then she gave me a chocolate and then like she's super nice. So gusto ko po siyang maka-work one day.
can you share that experience? Saan kayo nakita?
I don't know, but it was just a movie. Sinama po ako ng mami ko sa taping po. I was a part of the movie po or whatsoever. Tapos dun ko po siya nakilala.
Ngayon may movies si Kim Chiu with Paolo. So are you willing to be part of it kahit anong kaso ng movie?
Wala po.
Pero are you willing to be part of it? If ever na bigyan mo ng role sa movie na Kim Chiu and Paolo?
Sana po makapasok po kasi like she's one of the actors I really want to work with.
Naka-interaction mo rin ba si Maren Rivera kanina?
Oh, yes po. So, sobrang bait po nila po and she congratulated me for like getting the best actor award and yun po.
Yun. Thank you so much
Thank you
and
po.
congrats.